Okay, so this the last exercise. You take a stance, you push on my body, and I touch the tension, and I just roll underneath, and I relax through the tension. So there's a pressure on the point of contact, there's pressure inside my body, I'm relaxing it onto the fascia. And then we touch the tension, find the gap, and then move the mind like a feather through the gap. So we have this difference in listening skill and difference in intent. When we move the mind through the gap, it's just very, very soft underlying intent. When we're transforming energy through tension, there's a tension relationship, and I'm moving it from the fascia to the life force. So now what we want to do is go to the moving the mind like a feather. We touch the fascia, identify the gap, and then move the mind in a certain direction without telling our partner what direction we're moving our mind like a feather. So I enter the gap. So there's no hand signal that I'm moving the feather that way or moving the feather that way. So we just put our awareness in, become sensitive to that space, and then just move the space left, right, up, down, forward, or backward with no hand signal. So your partner has no idea what direction you're going. And this ability to move your mind like a feather on the right frequency will reduce your need to produce this huge amount of power. It's not the type of energy initially where you bounce your partner. It's used more for healing and therapy, but you can use it with the rebounding force if you develop it for 1 or 2 years. And you blend the method of a heavy load on your fascia and converting from fascia to muscle, and get that conversion process to build more power, which you move through your listening. So there's this process of loosening, filling, and emptying. Now the emptying has to do with emptying the mind to move it like a feather. The loosening has to do with emptying the body, loosening the body, transferring from muscle to fascia as your loosening phase. Your filling is building the energy up, and the nature of your mind, whether you're using a mechanical frame to move that power once it's full, or move the mind like a feather to move that power. So we have these 3 stages of loosening, filling, and emptying. Emptying is more emptying the mind, and loosening is emptying the body. Okay, partner up, have a play. Thank you.